What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you playing? Cyril want to play? Cyril wants to play. Cyril want to play? He doesn't, because he's run off. He's got wet feet. Be back in a minute. Crazy dog. Cute. Cyril's been silly. My rug's drying. It smells. It's from the flood from up there. It's dry. I got a stupid dog. Look at all the wood. Yay! It's silly. Cyril's been silly. Now he's digging. What are you digging for? What's there? He's just going to mess up the whole sofa. Now he's making a bed. Oh, is that comfy? Steve's soaring. You can probably hear him. So we can see. Oops. It's in the cellar. In the dark cellar. There's noises. And there's a Cyril. You'd be silly. Lunch. Just put these branches up. This is my Christmas tree. Well, the downstairs Christmas tree anyway. So I'm going to try and make it a bit crispy. At the moment the rug's still drying, but this is the hard work of the chopping of the wood done. Look at it all stacked up there. Looks really cool. And I've just lit the fire and I'm going to hang baubles from that. Finished my Christmas tree thingy-majiggy badoo. Okay. And now you can't really see. It's too dark in here. It's the fire. And the reindeer. Trying to get it so you can see better. There you go. How cozy is that?